What's up guys, it's the Trading Wizard here today. In today's recap, I've had one of the cleanest setups that I've seen in a long time. So without further ado, let's go right over it. Alright, let's go to the higher time frames first to determine the draw on liquidity and where the price wants to go to. Right here on the 4-hour time frame, this was price opening at 9:30, and we saw that price perfectly respected the 50% of this fair value gap. So as you can see, price perfectly tapped 50% of this fair value gap. So what does that mean? When price taps 50% of the fair value gap, there is a very high chance that it will respect it and go to the upside. So this is one confluence. Then when we go to the lower time frames, to the 15 minutes, so here we can see we respected 50% of the fair value gap and made a bullish movement. So I was looking for targets to profit here, and here they were 15-minute equal highs. Very strong draw on liquidity. And when you look at the 1 hour, this 15-minute equal lows is also a 1 hour unmitigated fair value gap. So a fair value gap where price hasn't touched into. So when you put all those puzzle pieces together, we touched the 50% fair value gap, made a bullish reaction out of it, nice points to take profit. So yeah, then we go to the 1 minute to find an entry towards those points. So let's just delete this to make it clearer. So as we can see, here we have the last fair value gap of the leg, and if price reacts from this point, it's very strong confluence that we will just keep going up. So we touched in the LFEG the last fair value gap of the leg, and while we did that, we made a bearish fair value gap. So I was waiting for a candle to close above it where I could enter off. So normally I would enter right here, but I didn't do that. The candle was here, and then it took like 3 seconds to close the candle, and it rallied up like really fast, and I didn't have the time to enter the trade. So I just waited, it retraced it back, and then it closed again above the fair value gap. And with all the confluences, respecting this fair value gap, respecting the 50% of the 4-hour fair value gap, we had nice draws on liquidity, 15 equal highs and 1 hour unmitigated fair value gap above. So I was pretty sure that price would come up. So I entered here, put my stop loss under the fair value gap, and take profit right here. So as you can see guys, it was a nice trade, almost a 1-to-5 risk reward. And if I held it that trade, look, I could have caught 1-to-16 risk reward. Yeah guys, I'm more than happy with this. So yeah guys, this day was a really good trade. You can always ask questions. Soon I will be live trading in the Discord, where you can see this happening all live. So yeah guys, peace out.